Hey everyone, I'm Ian Blackburn and I host a wine education business called Learn About Wine, Wine LA, merchantofwine.com, and I do a lot of other things as well. About 10 years ago, when this device, Coravin, was created, I made a video and it has done very well, over 100,000 views. And so we thought we'd, 10 years later, do a new series of videos with all of the new Coravins. Really nice upgrades to this product. I'm really big fan of Coravin. I've turned on thousands of people to the device, and it's time to show you all about this new set, new versions, new excitement. Here we go. First of all, Coravin is a wine serving device that allows you to enter into any bottle with a cork or a screw cap, and you'll be able to pull the wine that you want to drink out of the bottle, and the volume of wine is going to be replaced with argon gas. And what happens is the argon goes into the bottle and it protects the wine from oxidation. This is the same gas we use when bottling wine, so it's really good at preserving wine quality. You basically just open the tool up, you place in an argon gas canister, you close it back up, and you really can't mess this up. You just throw it in there and you wait till you hear it click. There it is. And that just opens that gas canister. Now you get it back into position and it fits and looks really good. You just put it up on top of the bottle. You used to have a clamp. Now you just slide it down until it opens and embraces the bottle. And then you just press the needle right down and it's super smooth. You take the Coravin device and at the tip, you point the tip down and hold the back of the bottle up higher than the tip, and then you press the gas lever down and it starts to allow the wine to flow through. This is not a pressure device, and it will drip a little bit, so you gotta be careful, but you'll be able to lean the bottle back and stop the pour at any point. Or you can hold the device out here like this and give it another kick and fill the glass if you want. You can pour as much as you like. You lean it down, it stops, you pull the Coravin device out, and it's just that easy. Real simple, real safe. It's working real well. And I do this 100 times a day. And a lot of people are still finding out about this device. Maybe you haven't cost justified it. This device here is around $200. And you know, you gotta be pretty serious into wine to justify that, but it doesn't take too many $20, $30, $40 bottles of wine to make that make sense. And it lasts a nice long time. They're really well made. And I'm having just a ball being able to taste a plethora of wines anytime I want. So I wanna encourage you. Use my code that's appearing at the bottom here in the description, and we'll give you a little discount. Include shipping, and I make a little commission on the deal. I appreciate your support. You can also buy the device on my website, merchantofwine.com. Thank you very much, and enjoy your Coravin experience.